everybody, thanks for joining me. Today we are going to be taking a look at an accessory for the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, and these are Polar Pro Retract landing gear. They are leg extensions for your DJI Mavic 2. That way it kind of gets it off the ground more. I will show you here up close just how low this thing sits. So if I extend these out, open this bugger up. Let's take a look. So if I set this down, so there's literally just barely even a fingertip for length or for height below this little bugger, and that's at the camera. So below the body there isn't even that much. So that's why we need the leg extensions to get this little bugger raised up in the air there. And that's where this comes in, the Polar Pro Retract landing gear for the DJI Mavic 2. We get these pulled out of the box. We can take a quick look at them here. So all these do is they just clip on little legs. I don't know if these are for the front legs or back legs yet, but they just have like a little strap here that slides over the leg, and then this folds down to attach and give you a little more height advantage. And they actually fold up, so that's a nice thing. So you should be able to carry them in your case depending on what case you have. Hopefully they'll be able to stay on the drone so you're not constantly taking them on and off like some of the other ones. So let me get these put on here and we'll take a look at how the drone looks with these on there. Alright guys, so these front ones, all they do is just slide on here. So it's kind of oval shaped, but they just slide right over the leg and just slide right up on here. And there you go. And they clip out like that. Clip back in. Extend out. And then you got to check on your props. So this little white circle here, that means we're using the white one, this white circle here, for this one. So this will actually mount this way on here. So we're going to unfold this, which means it would go, yeah, like this. Let's see. Hopefully you guys can see it. I'm not blocking everything too much. I believe it should go just like that. Then we'll clip the bottom of this rubber piece, pull this over. That attaches. And then this will simply go down like that. And then it should be able to fold up if you put these on here in the right spot. Just like that. So it still folds up. You still have clearance by your drone there. It might touch just a little bit, but it's rubber, so it's not going to affect nothing. But let me get the other one on, and then we'll take a look at exactly how much height we gain. Alright, you guys ready to check out how much height we gain? Here we go. Boom. Look at that. Is that not way better or what? I can easily put my hand under here, raise my hand up a ways. That gave us way more clearance, guys. You have a lot more clearance, so you're way less likely to hit something with that gimbal. Protect your camera more, protect your drone more. Protects all those sensors underneath this bugger. And the nice thing is, yeah, it protects all your sensors and stuff under here. And the nice thing is, like I say, everything folds up nice too, so I'll show you that now. Like I was saying too, everything folds up really nice. These here, all you have to do is flip them up. The back ones, they just fold up. And pro tip, these back ones, I actually sprayed a little WD-40 inside here, and then I wiggled them probably 20-30 times and then wiped all the WD-40 off because they were really stiff. So yeah, same with these front ones. Actually, I think it was the front ones. No, the back ones weren't too bad. My bad. It was the front ones here. These were really stiff, but now that I did the WD-40 thing, yeah, work a lot better as far as that goes. And like I say, and I sprayed it when they were off of the drone, by the way, not when they were on the drone. So do not spray them when they're on the drone at all. But yeah, everything folds up really nice. And if you guys are interested in buying the Polar Pro landing gear, I'll have a link down below in the description where you can buy it from Amazon. I am an affiliate member, so that'll help me out, help support the channel a little bit. I'll earn a very small commission, but I would definitely appreciate it. So thank you again for all your support, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.